Hi, I'm Wilfredo Malapit and I'm based in the Philippines. I've been working as a video editor for 2 years, and I focus on a short form videos like Reels, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short form. Most of my experience in video editing is creating an engaging, strong hook, uh, caption, a smooth pacing to make the viewers keep watching and to make the viewers become a customer. And that for the tools I use CapCut for editing, and I also use Google Sheet and Google Drive for um, tracking the tasks and uploading the final videos, the final tasks, and for deliverables. And actually, I'm interested in this role because I really enjoy creating videos, and I if you give me a chance to be part of your uh, growing company, and I like to improve my editing style and editing skills to upgrade um, more of my skills. And I thank you for this opportunity, um, to make myself clear to you, and looking forward to work with you. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day.